Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FBS. We click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, we search about the application of FBS. Here in this window, we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. As you see in this page, we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your